Hello everyone, I'm Gus. Today I'm going to show you how to update the firmware of your satellite phone 9555, 9575 and Iridium Extreme PTT. Stay tuned.
First, we need to check in what version your satellite phone is running on. Press Menu, Setup, Phone Information. The screen is going to show the current firmware version. The last version for the 9555 and the 9575 is the HL21001. If you have a different version, you will need to update. Select the appropriate software upgrade tool on your PC for your satellite phone. It's important to point out every model has its own upgrade software, so the wrong one won't work on your phone. The software upgrade tool for each Iridium phone is able to download for free on the Iridium website. Connect the USB cable on your handset and run the program. The upgrade progress lasts approximately 15 minutes. When it's over, proceed to check the firmware version again to make sure the upgrade was successfully done. More info on our website globalsatellite.us.